Yeah, do the hokey pokey for me real quick.
Safely.
Yeah, shake safely. Ooh, look at him get that. Get it, boy, get it, boy. Always test your ethanol correctly.
Welcome to the Backyard Shenanigans YouTube channel.
What's going on, guys? BS Mike here, Backyard Shenanigans, and we're coming at you from my driveway in Sebring, Florida. We're heading down to Immokalee Raceway tonight. We're gonna have a good time. We got a little shootout action going on. I brought the whiteboards. We might do a game of pastime. We might do like a who wins, who loses kind of thing. Stick around, and hey, while you're here, smash the subscribe button for me. Hit that like button, and hey, let's see where tonight takes us. All right, guys. I know one of you said the R word, the dreaded rain, and unfortunately, Immokalee got rained out tonight, so shootout maybe next weekend. All right, so I gotta get some content out for you guys. So I'm just gonna, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna knock out a little work on Cool Whip right here, and then I sent my buddy RJ. He was up in Lake Wales. He's gonna get some E85. We're gonna test it out, and I think he finished my fuel cell because we gotta add another pump to old Cool Whip. Dude has arrived. What up, RJ?
What's up, buddy?
Got that tank all done for us? Woo!
Got the fittings on it.
Hell yeah! What? Those are 12 AN, right?
Yeah, that's what you need for both pumps. To feed it. So,
Woo.
I mean, that Chinese aluminum's okay, but it will.
I gotcha. So, you got the gas cans in the truck?
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's go get them. Here, we'll cut all this out. See, this is all part of editing. All right. I poked myself in the eye. But we got. All right, dudes. E85, fresh from Lake Wales. Let's go check out what kind of content we got here. What do you think it's gonna be?
I'm gonna say it's gonna be E85 exactly.
E85 exactly. Now it can be as low as I think E52.
Yeah, it can be low. Hopefully we got some hot stuff, we'll see.
You never know. I'm gonna go let's go E80, even, all right? All right, so we got our handy dandy testing kit here for our E85. Got our percentages all the way up. We fill with water to here. We fill with gas, the E85 up to here. And then we shake it up, make it do the cucarunga, and we're gonna see what kind of percentage. All right, we got Dr. Scientist RJ ready with his safety gear. Let's get some water in that bad boy. Perfecto.
All right, now for the petroleum.
Yes, we need the petroleum product now. Ooh, she full. Right, let's see RJ's pouring skills going on right here. I'm like, do you think I should get rags? Like, oh, there we go, we moving. Moss and ethanol. Oh, Hannah has joined the conversation. Hi, Hannah. I gotta say, you ain't spilt much. I'm pretty impressed. It's probably due to that bitchin' safety helmet you got on.
Always wear your safety gear.
Quick level of ethanol content in there. Let's get the cap on.
Shake.
Yeah, do the hokey pokey for me real quick. Yeah, shake safely. Ooh, look at him get that. Get it, boy, get it, boy. Always test your ethanol correctly. All right, I think that'll do it. I mean, you're making it rain out here.
Safety.
All right, so now we see we're all mixed up here. So now this is gonna get clear up here, and it's gonna come down to like whatever. I say 80, RJ said 85. We're gonna see what she separates at. All right, guys, well, why we wait?
The coon-ass Cajun says to hydrate.
We gonna hydrate. All right, guys, the verdict is, I would say about
90.
E92.
Yeah, 92.
So, for the record, that's
Gas station got that fire fuel today, buddy.
yeah, that's not drum fuel, that is pump E85, guys. So, have faith, race gas out there under about $4 a gallon. It's still out there, so hang in there.
That's amazing that you can get that out of a pump.
Can't beat
Because
that.
normally you're gonna get some trash that's 70.
Yeah.
You know, that is race quality fuel.
Oh yeah, you know, like with that, dude, you don't even need like a flex fuel sensor or nothing.
No.
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, sticking around with us, even though it got rained out. Stick around because next week we're gonna have a little bit more content. Hopefully, hit the racetrack. Smash that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the
turkeys going in.
Oh yeah, got them turkeys.
Turkeys going in. Don't leave it out.
Ooh, gotta keep them in there. Gotta keep them in there. Yeah, they haven't even seen a taste of Cool Whip. You know what I mean? Ooh, all right, top secret. That's enough. Hit that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.